more speed, more power, more control. The 42-pound AVT breaker hammer. Less vibration, more speed, more power, more control. It's not just a spring-loaded handle. Introducing anti-vibration technology, an active counterbalance system engineered into the tool to reduce vibration. Additional power is automatically applied to the motor with constant speed control to maintain speed under load to complete the most challenging jobs. Soft Start suppresses startup reaction to help prevent the bit from walking for better accuracy. The variable speed control dial enables the user to match the speed to the application. The LED service light notifies the user 8 hours before brushes need to be replaced. The LED power lights indicate power loss, switch failure, or cord damage.